Hey guys, welcome back. With visitors to release the door, among other features. One more notable feature I'd like to mention that sets our kit apart is that it allows the VTO to be used as a doorbell in apartment scenarios without using any software licenses. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local DAHUA retailer. As always, this has been your friendly DAHUA assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe.